Hi traders, just want to give an update on the actual dollar index and the euro dollar. It's looking very similar but inverse. So from a weekly perspective, this is the day chart, but from a weekly perspective, this is a higher top to this top, and we're pulling back within this range. For the last 2 weeks, we've been holding at the 79% level at 101.90. Now yesterday we started with a very positive day after Friday's reversal, but then traded down back down to the bottom of this tight range that I've highlighted. So this is the area to watch through the course of today. Do we break below? And continue down from yesterday? Or is this area going to act as support? And are we going to trade back up within this tight range that we're seeing? Alright, so it's worth monitoring that area of support there. The 79% levels at 101.90. Of course, I've just discussed the pound dollar earlier in the day. If the dollar index starts to move up, the pound dollar will move down from its resistance area. So will that dollar index hold there at the 101.90 level? So there's 102.00 offer support through the trading week at that 79% fib level. Alright, with that in mind, let's drop into the euro dollar and have a look at that chart. Alright, traders, onto euro dollar now. It's really the inverse look of the dollar index. Weekly high to low, 79% fib level. This is the high following the FOMC statement in March, and we came up last week. Friday reversed up there. Yesterday we did trade down but got support on day support 108.02 and came all the way back up to test this area once more. So very much like the pound dollar, as we were discussing before, we could break out above 109.27, this area of resistance over here, and this double top. Are we going to break out, or are we simply failing here to move back down to retest 108.02 today? We're going to break out and challenge the yearly high at 110.32, 110.33 up here. So let's just drop down to the 15-minute chart and have a closer look here at the euro dollar. Alright traders, on the 15-minute chart now, price action on the 15-minute chart is just starting to turn over a bit here, but 109.00 could offer support and then we could just flip straight back up. So just waiting for the London session, same with the pound dollar, waiting for the London session to come in. That's where the volume of trades are. Do we get driven up to 109.27, which is resistance at the moment? There's last week's high, last month's high up there too. Can we break out above that level, or do we simply hold and fail? Do you see a setup to sell if we see a reversal? Again, like I was saying on the pound dollar, I'd much prefer to see 109 break down, become resistance, for then a move down. So very similar look that I was discussing on the pound dollar. If euro dollar is your favorite instrument to trade, it's really the same trade. Are we going to get driven up to resistance? Are we going to break out or hold? Does the dollar index hold at support and reverse back up? So watch the dollar index closely. If it holds at support and starts to move up, we're going to see the euro dollar start to decline back down the range. So can we break clearly back below 109.00? Does that start to become resistance through the trading day for a move back down the range? And finally traders, I'll give you an update this evening in the live Forex trading webinar at 8 PM Sydney time tonight. If you'd like to join me, simply register at the link below.